Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Chevy Chase High to Seward to Laurel Mountain to Ohio Pile, moving east at 60 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include University of Pittsburgh, Johnstown and South Fork, Northern Cambria and Flight 93 National Memorial, Patton and Hastings, Prince Gallitzin State Park and Blunovsky Resort, Horseshoe Curve, and Hollidaysburg, Blandburg, and Penn State Altoona. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 100 and 151, Interstate 99 between mile markers 0 and 41. This line of severe thunderstorms has a history of producing wind damage. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service and State College through Twitter or Facebook. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning for south central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, Cambria, and Somerset.